Hello, greetings, ladies and gentlemen, my kind audience, boys and girls. Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Airil Haimi. I'm Teech, and for my last presentation for this series for ELC590, my persuasive presentation title is "To thine own self be true." Be true to yourself. Now, why do we need to be true to ourselves? Why do you and I, why do we need to be true to ourselves? Actually, that quotation isn't from me. It's from my friend here, the bard himself, William Shakespeare. It's important to be true to ourselves, to understand who we are, to believe in our abilities, not to be scared of challenges, and to live life to the fullest, to the best of our potential. Psychologically, mentally, we need to be strong. You and I both. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there is now a clear problem, a clear issue that we all need to avoid, and it's called the Imposter Syndrome. What is it? Well, it's a collection of feelings of inadequacy. It persists even though we've got success. Yeah? It makes us feel self-doubt. It makes us feel that we're not good enough. That we are being criticized all the time even though nobody is criticizing us. We compare ourselves to other people. And unbelievably, ladies and gentlemen, my kind audience, 70% of people experience imposter syndrome. So you feel like an imposter even though you are not. Even though you're doing your best, you, yourself, we start doubting our own self. Start doubting our own selves. So for example, you feel feelings like, what am I doing here? Someone can do this better than I can. I'm not as good as this as my group members. My friends are better than me. Why should I lead? I can't lead. I have no idea. I don't know what to do. And sadly, also, I have to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 85% of women go through this compared to men. So it's a very serious issue because it's a psychological one, and we need to do something about it because it affects all of us. All of us. You and I, all of us. So what do we need to do? Well, to cope with imposter syndrome, there is a solution. There are a few actually. Know the signs. Know you're not alone. You have people who love you, supporting you, your good friends, your family members. Distinguish humility and fear. Don't feel fear, but be humble. Be humble when you show your skills, your abilities. Don't think about perfectionism, but try the best that you can. Give the best that you can for all your efforts. Be kind to yourself. Always be kind to yourself. Love yourself. You only have your one self to support you throughout your life. Track your success, even the smallest one. Small successes. Say thank God. Thank God. Say thank you to God. Every time you get a success, even though it's just a small thing, celebrate yourself. Talk to your teachers, your lecturers. your family members, your good friends, people who love you. Find support from them, in them. Say yes to opportunities. Don't run away from doing things. Always try, even though it's online learning or whatever you have to do. Never ever run away from opportunities to better yourself. Take the challenge. Take the challenge. What's worse is not trying. What's worse is not trying. Who cares if you fail? But you need to try. You and I, we need to try. Who cares if we fail? And embrace the feeling. Embrace the feeling. Don't be scared to fail. Believe in our abilities. But we need to make sure we start by doing our very best. Bestest, you and I, both. So what will happen? Just imagine what will happen if we don't do all this. We don't take these positive steps to improve, and so that we don't become victims of the imposter syndrome. Imagine you start doubting your skills. You start doubting your talents, even though you've got the skills, even though you've got the talents, and even though you have a lot of accomplishments, even though they're just small things, small successes. Last time, maybe you got a C+ for one of your subjects. This time, you got a B-. Well, it's small, but it's a success. It's an accomplishment. So don't feel that you're not good enough. No, you're not an imposter. You're not fake. As long as you try. As long as you try your best, and as long as you believe in your own potential. This is what you need to remember for the rest of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to take action. It's time to take action. Take action, because you need to remember. You need to remember to be humble. Not knowing something does not make you a fraud. Even though we wear many masks in our lives. But not knowing something, if you're not good enough, it's okay. Doesn't make you a fraud. It makes you a student. You're still learning. And accept that for the rest of our lives, whatever we do, we are learning. Be true to ourselves, to thine own self, be true. Never stop learning. Never stop trying to improve. Work hard. Work hard. And leave everything to God. Don't forget to celebrate your own successes, because, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my kind, dear audience, no one is you, and that is your superpower. No one is you, and that is your superpower. Thank you for joining me for the whole of this semester. It's been a great pleasure helping all of you and learning with all of you for ELC590. Wish you all the best for your final assessment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. Take my leave now. All the best for your future. To thine own self be true. Be your story. Make that story great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.